Very nice chance to visit Cholistan desert once again in life. I'm here at the beauty saloon of the lamb. As you can see here, the very fresh, slim and smart sheep after having a nice haircut. This is awesome. And here you see the beautiful mosquito nets for the shepherds, nomad shepherds. They will be here for a couple of weeks or a month where they will stay until the availability of the water. These are the mosquito nets for sleeping. And right behind here, I'm going to take you to an amazing place where the people are busy, where these beauty saloon guys, the sheep saloon guys are busy cutting the hair. You can see here the pile of sheep wool all around here in the Cholistan desert. These all guys busy giving a beauty haircut to the sheep, as the season soon is changing now from winter towards summer, so this is the best time for giving sheep a beauty haircut. This sheep is done with the haircut and it's going back. You can see at least 20-25 guys cutting the sheep wool. The scissors are being sharpened here. There's another sheep is coming to beauty saloon for its beauty haircut to get refreshed. Such an interesting place. This is awesome to be here on the right spot at right time. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। भाई कैसे आप? खैरियत? ठीक ठाक है? माशाल्लाह. Here, some of the lamb is still waiting for the beauty haircut. So these lamb will be soon haircutted and fresh for the coming hot summer. Cholistan Desert. We're just outside Dirawat Fort. Here, this lamb is fresh. After having a beauty haircut, the lamb is ready to go for the hot summer. They're fresh. These lambs happy and fresh and singing.
No, they're washed from head to shoulder.
Yes. And after this, they will have a beauty shower.
Driver said they're using head and shoulder.
Oh, they use head and shoulder for washing these lamb. See the water bottle. Assalamu alaikum. Bye guys आप खैर खैरियत पानी ठंडा रहता है इस तरह दिखाओ ना बोतल good यार जबरदस्त